Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. I'm just like unwrapping, so applying the checker map.
Excuse me, sir.
Just tell me.
Sir, tomorrow there is class, sir.
Tomorrow, let me see. Tomorrow there is no class.
Okay, sir.
Just follow the weekly schedule that PDF has sent. Just cross check with that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why my UV is messed up? Just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, polytriangles, how much it should be there, sir? I mean, for my model, sir.
Which one is your this thing set? I forgot the reference.
House, sir. House. Yesterday you told. Yesterday I showed you.
Yes, that house. So for
Yes,
that,
sir.
like within polygons, like within 30,000, that should be good enough.
Okay.
No problem. So you can see checker by like my UVs are not done yet, so I have to fix all my UVs. I separated the entire mesh in parts so that I can UV it easily. Otherwise, it's becoming a bit difficult and tricky. So if I see this side it looks fine. This base is fine. Rest everything messed up. So I split the entire mesh model into separate parts. Just give me a second. I have exported this UV. View UVs. Just give me a second. Delete. Just give me a second. I accidentally deleted the UV. Now it's better. So same manner, now I have to fix everything is separated. So you can see my main building, isolate. I can see UVs are kind of clean. Last day we applied that mapping and then we started uh, stitching them together. Still couple of things are pending. You can see this, you can see this entire thickness I kept it together. Outside wall I kept it together. And my, and one more thing I see here is it's fine. Both are same. Okay, correct. But this interior section is nothing is there. Base you can see I've deleted. Anything is not visible, make sure delete it. And what is this section? Oh, this door. Oh, so for this door interior part, we have I have placed a door separately. Though, if I see, I have a door separately. So what I'll do is this side. I'll see where it is. This one. So select all of them together. Right click, break it. So everything. Right click, break, separate. Why I'm doing why I'm separating it? So that I can weld them, stitch them together with this door side, like less number of seam. Then like a basic rule of thumb for UV is less number of seam and there shouldn't be any stretch. There should be one more, this one, correct, done. And this one is fine. This is my floor and this is inside. Okay, the thickness I have created for this section. I cannot attach this with this. I can stretch it here. And this thing, see, and these two parts are connected. So I'll keep it like this. This doors and entire thing is wrapped nicely. This is my main thickness of this area. And this is also inside, there is nothing, so it's empty. So this should well switch everything. Select everything. I can pack it. Rotation is off, so make sure rotation is on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So what I'll do is select the element mode. Oh, snapping is on. I'll select everything, pack. Much better. So like this, one by one, I'll unwrap everything, all the parts. This like the main building is unwrapped nicely. You can see this floor is unwrapped nicely. I just applied a planner. It's a flat surface, so I just applied a planner. For this also have to unwrap it properly. You can see it looks like this. It's not nice. So I'll select all this face and I can go to mapping, flatten mapping. Done. and you can see my by flag pattern mapping, my main floor is nice clean, and this have lots of seam. That is something I have to fix. Everything is, you can see, everything is unwrapped nicely. This also done. Collapse. So what I can do, I can just simply hide them separately one by one, or I can stitch them together. Let me hide it. Hide selection. Hide selection. This is also hide selection. Okay, let's unwrap this. Okay, I have unwrapped this also. Like, why it's showing this error? Okay, unwrapping is not there. It's showing me some error. Let's start with something else. Very simple. Select all these thing boxes. So what I'll do is, you can, like as I have already separated my all those glowing areas, rest everything I can select and unwrap it. Okay, start unwrapping. Unwrapping is a time consuming slow process, but if you do it properly, it will give you very good result. If you don't do it properly, it will mess up your entire texture. So I just applied flatten, and now I can see all the seams everywhere. This surface is separate entirely, so forget about this. But this is my, but that glowing reference, it was glowing in my reference, right? So I have applied a separate material. You can see it's black in color. I have already applied a separate material. If you want, you can just select this and pick this, and you can see you have a separate material here. So basic color is, maybe make it yellow or green or something. Emission also black. It should be more yellow. See, it become bright. Now I can clearly identify this surface. Now this part I have, it's unwrapped perfectly, but it's all in bits and pieces. So I need to make sure there's less number of seam at click. So let's see, where is my this? It's selected, selected. Break it, keep it separate. This frame, I want to stitch them, this entire thing together. Element selected, and right click, relax it. It's 100% relaxed already. with this, okay, this section here I can see there are like some little issue in the model. This plane is not required and this plane also not required. Now it's fine and clean. I'm selecting all the faces, then I'll apply a UV. And if I go to face again, it will retain the selection. UV mode, I can see all the face here. Now I will apply a planner on that face, fit it. Y is fine. Right click, relax. So you can see UV is not working perfectly. It's giving me some issues. That means there are some issue in the model, or there is like I have to some history. Some history is there. Polygon angles. Yeah, unwrapped. Now it's perfect. It should be like this, perfectly clean without any error. See, like this. It should be like this. Now I need to stitch all these surface together. This upper section separately and lower section separately. This entire thing is you can say stitched properly. This is separate, and this one, if I want, I can stitch with this. Break it, break it, stitch, stitch, stitch. It becomes straight, nice and clean. And after unwrapping, at least once, make sure apply a relax. But I can see after relaxing, it's not working very nicely. It doesn't give like very nice effect. Break this two, these two, and then try relaxing one more time. See, it's perfect now, but it's giving me this overlapping issue. So I can, that means I cannot keep them together. So I could have like simply undo it. Separate, separate. This is also separate. Only one thing. Switch together. That means the entire thing is done. I'm just roughly packing it. Hide selection. You can see this is exactly the same manner I have to do it. And this is just a box. Unwrap, just a box. So I can just simply apply flatten for this and then stitch everything properly. Stitch. Oh, everything is stitched and it's also stitched. So everything together, only one side, one seam. So this is nicely done. All checkers, everything perfect. Collapse. Now the other one, UV. Same thing again, flatten. Stitch, stitch, done. So I split, like if you split the entire thing, the recording is on. Huh. Split the entire thing, mapping, flatten. Now see, this entire thing can be together, can stay together. And see this one, this section. Switch selected. Stitch selected. Stitch selected. Now this part is separate already. And now this section I have to check. Okay, Prithviraj is joining now. Stitched nicely. And rest everything is fine. As long as checkers are all clean, nice, it's fine. So, so basically avoid any kind of overlapping you have. Avoid that. Overlapping, stretching. Stitch selected. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3 only. Yes. Similarly, this one. Not this side. This side. This is the selection. Stitch. This section I have to fix. Or not this one. Okay, for this also I'll do the same thing, same process. I'll apply a planner, hide it. See, this thickness is useless. So while UVing, you should cross check your model. If there is anything unwanted and which is not required, make sure delete that. Selected, go to UV. See that it retains the sheet, it retains the selection. UV editor. I can apply a planner on this and direction Y. Yes, Y is fine and fit. Relax, relax it. See, perfectly relaxed. Everything is unwrapped nicely and clean. Unwrapped. So this thing is one, this one, this one, and this one. Hide selection, unwrapped. So one by one, select everything and then unwrap everything nicely. Then once my unwrapping is done, I'll start working on my UV packing, like which is very important. If my UV is not packed properly, I won't be able to create nice texture. and this is just a box. So see, we created this thing. Select this, flatten, and this part is not required because this is not visible. Delete it. So anything which is not required, not visible, make sure delete that and optimize your model. And today is your submission day, so make sure make your submission by the end of today. Because I have been a lot lenient before, so do not take advantage of this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm stitching all of them together. See, it's full, but I can see there will be little stretch, and this is like very minor stretch. That is something I guess we can deal with, like we can live with. So and it can be acceptable. Nice, clean, throughout same checker size. Done. Right selection. UV, flatten. Okay, done. So UV is like a slow process, but make sure pay very good attention, unwrap everything properly. There shouldn't be any stretching anywhere, because if your unwrap is not good, if your unwrapping is not good, it will create problem while texturing. So unwrapping is very important. UV. So this is like I can. It's a cylindrical shape. I can apply cylinder, but it won't work properly because it's this thing. So I'll just apply a automatic flatten mapping, or easiest way will be select all the polygons, polygon mode to make it faster. Apply a planar in X direction. You'll get the pipe shape and then switch it off. Then go to edge mode and see which edge you have selected. I want this one and break it from here. And it's now select the entire thing, relax, relax it. Sometimes it doesn't work. Apply polygon edge and then again polygon. See, in one click, unwrapped. So for all these pipes, I can apply the same thing. Select this, I click hide. Pipe. So all these things, like once you start working on it, you will definitely develop the understanding. You can see it looks so weird, and like I want to unwrap it really quickly. So what I'll do is I'll apply a planar. So I'll just select everything. iPad, I haven't selected anything. Select, apply a planar. Y, Z. Ah, X is kind of fine. No, don't worry, like this is distorted and all. That's completely fine. And go here inside, Go to edge mode, double click and select the entire loop, right click, break it. Now select the UV, right click, relax, relax it. Relax, just increase the intensity to become a little faster. It's unwrapping, but it's like really slow. So what I'll just speed up this thing. I'll select all these edges, oh, sorry, vertices, and rotate it. I flipped it, and now everything is kind of nicely aligned. Now relax it. So it will make everything clean. You can see, but you can see still it's not perfect. It's a pipe, so it can be easy. I can make it like easily a perfect straight shape. So I'll rotate them like roughly straight. Select the face mode, select everything, and click on this. It will create entire this thing perfectly straight. I can see there is edge issue. So for that, I will go and check my mesh. My mesh, I can see scale of this thing is really small. Like I really can't see the checker map properly. So it's straightened up, but you can see almost correct, but there are like few issues here and there. That means somewhere my UVs are stretching. Yeah. So it's front and back overlapped. Now I have to see if there is, it's fine. Oh, there is one vertex here. Okay, while rotating, I must have changed something. If I break it, okay. Now, if I'm having difficulty with this, I can just obviously relax this entire thing, and everything will be super clean without any problem, any issue. That stretch is gone, everything is gone, and I can fit it later. But technically, we should straighten this thing entire. Height selection. This is again a box, and this inside part is not visible, so delete it. I have only this thickness. I see I don't have any map. Just any one of the corner, double click, break it. Now rest I can stitch. break, 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 stitch, stitch. So everything is stitched nicely. Now, if I want to like make sure like everything is looks nice and clean, so double click and select all the edges, the corner edges only. Right click, break it. Now select this one, stitch, stitch, like this, make it straight line, keep it clean, smooth. Okay, this one's done. Hides this one. So let's see UVs. Okay, Ruben is joining now when class is about to finish. So like I can keep these sides separate and the center parts together, or if I want, I can stitch only one section just to keep everything together. Let's see. Relax, and now I can see there is a floating vertex. So always look for those things, any kind of issue in your UV, because UV is a flattened version of 3D. So if there is any problem in geometry while working on UV, should be able to check it and fix it. Done. See? Done. Fixed. Like this, one by one, I'll unwrap everything and fix like all unwrap, or if there any kind of issue in my model, any extra edges, any extra vertex or overlapping or some issue, I'll fix that and like finish my entire UV. And then once my entire, because almost half things are done, still half is remaining. So I'll unwrap it and then like I guess like tomorrow do we have class? No, tomorrow don't have class. Day after tomorrow we have class. So day after tomorrow we'll start packing our UV. We'll start packing our UV and then fix everything and start texturing, because UVs are very important. If UVs are not good, texturing will become very difficult. 04 to this. Because is present 3 Sham Sundar, Shubham, Rubin Babu, Firaj, Devashish. And today is submission day, so make sure make your submissions. And if you have any doubts, anything until unless you submit your file or discuss with this with me, I won't be able to guide you properly. So submit your files. Doesn't matter it's wrong or right. So submit it. We'll discuss and keep up with the speed. We have been working on this set like it's